Before starting the video, I would like to tell you something about IBPSguide.com. In their website, they daily provide you with free questions which will help you boost your preparation of either banking examination or SSC examination. Also, you can check out their test series which has very high standard questions, and also all the questions are accompanied by detailed solutions. Okay, so you don't have to wonder here and there for the solutions. And also towards the end of the test, they provide you with analysis that how well you have performed, which are the areas which you must work on. Also, the tests are available in both the language, that is Hindi and English, so you can switch between both the languages, and it is accessible either on mobile application or desktop, whichever suits you. Okay, for more information about IBPS Guide quality mocks, you can visit their e-store, that is e-store.ibpsguide.com.
Hello everyone, welcome to IBPS Guide. So in this particular video, we will see a memory based puzzle and sitting arrangement both. Okay, so almost 3 questions of 2 is puzzle and 1 is sitting arrangement. Alright, so we are happy to announce you that today exam pattern was 80% of similar to our IBPS Guide mock test paper. Friends, just visit ibpsguide.com. Friends, आपको बता दें कि हमारा जो एग्जाम पैटर्न है, हमारा जो मॉक टेस्ट है, वही सेम पैटर्न हमारा आपका 80% जो है सेम एकदम आईपीएस क्लर्क में भी पूछा गया है। ठीक है, तो आप विजिट कर सकते हैं ibpsguide.com मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस के लिए। ठीक है, तो आइए चलिए बढ़ते हैं हम लोग अपने पजल सेट की ओर। पजल सेट आपके सामने है, आप पजल सेट का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए और देखिए क्या आप इन सारी पजल्स को आप क्या विद इन 10 मिनट्स में बना सकते हैं? बिल्कुल बना सकते हैं। ठीक है ना, चलिए। हाँ, मैं मानता हूं कि सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ पीपल वाली जो पूछी गई थी वो थोड़ी सी टाइम टेकिंग थी, बट उसको भी जितने लोगों ने, अगर मान लो आपने 20 से 30 क्वेश्चंस आपने अनसर्टेन वाली पीपल लगाई होगी, ठीक है, तो आप जरूर उसको भी क्रैक कर लेंगे विद इन टाइम में। एंड फ्रेंड्स, इन आवर टेस्ट सीरीज ऑल्सो दीज types of puzzle were asked a certain number of in each set almost 20 sets will be there, and in each set one puzzle will be like this, a certain number of sitting arrangement. All right, so now let's proceed with the first question. Read each line carefully. K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T are sitting around a square table in such a way that 4 of them sit at 4 corners of the square while 4 sit in the middle of each of the 4 squares. The one who sit at the 4 corner faces outside, while those who sit in the middle faces the center of the table. Now, by reading this much information, draw immediately 2 squares. Okay, like this in your copy. Immediately. Okay. Now, this person is facing outside and this person is facing inside. Same like this. Corner 1 is facing outside. Corner 1 facing outside, and this middle one is facing inside, middle one facing inside, middle one facing inside. Same here, middle one facing inside, 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 and inside, outside, 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 outside. Now read further. P sits third to the right of S and S faces the center. So S faces the center. Note down, S faces the center, S faces the center. P sits third to the right of S. Third to the right means will be in anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, P will be at this position. 1, 2, 3, P will be at this position. For the saying Q sits third to the left of M means M and Q. How many percent will be there? 2% will be there. Now M does not sit in the middle of the side. So M is not sitting in the middle of the side. M will be at the corner, 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 at the corner. Which corner? Don't know. Only 1% sits between Q and R. R is not immediate neighbor of M. T does not faces the center, and K is not immediate neighbor of R. T is an immediate neighbor of S and R. So S is here, T may be here, or R then will be here. So S and R, T will be the immediate neighbor. If S is here, T will be here, R will be here, because R and S, the neighbor is T. He is clearly mentioned that T is an immediate neighbor of both S and R. So S and R, T will be the neighbor. S and R, T will be the neighbor. It means, this line means when that T will be in the middle of R and S and SRR. Okay, clear? Note out. Now see, there is one line written, R is not the immediate neighbor of M. So if R is here, then M cannot be here, because R is not a neighbor of M, and M should be placed at the corner, not in the middle. So this position not for M, not for M, not for M, only M is this one. Now come to the point, this one. M cannot be at this, not cannot be at this, M at this or at this, because at the corner one, na? Okay. T does not faces the center. Of course, T is facing outside the center. Okay. Now Q sits third to the left of M. Okay, if M is here, third to the left means not clockwise, it will be a anti-clockwise. So 1, 2, 3 Q will be at this position. Clear? But here we are not sure. Okay, don't worry. But there is only one person sits between Q and R. So if R is here, 1, 2, Q is not possible. 1, 2 Q. If Q is here, then M and Q, how many person will be there? 2% will be there. So Q 1, 2 M. 1, 2 M, not possible. M is here, but clearly he is mentioned that M does not sit in the middle of the head and Q sits third to the left of M. So if M is here, third to the left will be somewhere in this direction, not in this direction, because this M is facing in outside direction. So this case is eliminated. So if this is the right answer, he is clearly mentioned K is not immediate neighbor of R, K is not at this position, K is at this position, L will be at this position. This is your right answer. Within 2 minutes you can solve such question, my dear friends. Within 2 minutes. Okay, now let's move toward the next set of questions, that is 7%. All right, now question number 2 says that 7% A, B, C, D, E, F were promoted on 7 different days of the week starting from Sunday to Saturday. Okay, Sunday, after Sunday Monday will be there, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and at last Saturday. So Sunday is the first day. Okay, draw a diagram like this. Okay, D was promoted before Wednesday. So D was promoted before Wednesday. Wednesday is here. Before Wednesday, D at this position, draw a line. D at this position, draw a line. Or D may be at this position. But I say only one person was promoted between D and D. Now see, D, one gap, D is at this position, and also read further also. Read further. The 3% were promoted between D and G. Okay, D is here, 1, 2, 3. G is at this position. D is here, 1 gap D, and 3% B and G. 1, 2, 3 not possible. 1, 2, 3 not possible. Case fail. D is here, 1 gap D, D is here, 1 gap B. Now which one is the correct answer? Now at last, only at last, read this line, that A was not promoted after B. Then if you place B at this position, then after B, A will be somewhere like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, कहीं भी हो सकता है ना, Tuesday को छोड़ के, तो वो B के बाद ही आएगा A. पर वो बोला कि A was not promoted after B, means B is here before B, A will be there, like this. He is saying like this. Okay, clear है? तो उसको रब कर दे पहले. ठीक, आप समझते हैं. देखो यहाँ पे कि D अगर यहाँ 1 gap B is not possible, 1 gap B is possible. Now B is possible, 1, 2, 3 G is possible. Okay, now F was not promoted after just before G, just after and just before G, and 2% were promoted between F and C, and F was promoted before C. So C is here, 1, 2, F is here, C. F is promoted before C, and F and C 2% will be there. Now again check. C is here, 1, 2, F not possible. So C is here, 1, 2, F will be at this position. Now A will be either at this position or at this position, but he is clearly mentioned that A was not promoted after B. But B is here after B, A is here, B is here after B, A is here. So this condition is also false. Clear? C is here at this position, 1, 2, F. Only this is the possible condition, because if C is here, 1, 2, F not possible. C is at this position, 1, 2, F not possible. C, 1, 2, F. And after B, A is not possible. So A will be at this position and E will be at this position. So this is your right diagram. Okay. Now let's move toward the third or last puzzle. Now this question is very tricky, friends, but try to solve within a time. Okay, a certain number of people sitting in south facing direction. Only some people arrangement are known. Only one person sits between I and M. So I, 1 gap, M at this position, or you can say like this ना, M 1 gap, I is at this position. ठीक है, देखो क्या बोला है, L sits 4 to the left of I. सबने क्या किया है, साउथ डायरेक्शन की ओर किया हुआ है ना, सबने साउथ डायरेक्शन की ओर डायरेक्शन की होगी. तो लेफ्ट किधर आएगा, इस तरफ की इस तरफ, ऑफ कोर्स इस तरफ जाएगा ना. तो L sits 4 to the left of I. 1, 2, 3, 4. L is at this position. Is at this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. L is at this position. Sorry. 5 persons sits between L and V, and 4 people sits between V and Q. Okay. And not more than, he is saying not more than 6 people sits to the right of V. 6 people to the right of V. Now friends, V is here, suppose, and facing south direction. So right is somewhere here or here. Of course, right will be in this direction. Okay. And in this direction of V, not more than 6 people will be there. Okay. Now 5 persons are between L and V. If L is here and L and V, 5% will be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 गैप देखिए, V इस तरफ. So ठीक है. और अगर हमने इस तरफ डाला होता 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके. देन V. तो अब देखो V ने तो साउथ की ओर डायरेक्शन किया हुआ है ना. अब V के राइट हैंड साइड में कितने लोग बैठे हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. बट यहाँ तो क्लियरली बोला कि 6 से ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो अब मैं क्या करूंगा? मैं यहां डालूंगा क्या V को? नहीं, मैं यहां नहीं डालूंगा. मैं क्या करूंगा? इस तरफ करूंगा. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 गैप देके V एट दिस पोजीशन करूंगा मैं, है ना. ये करूंगा. सेम यहाँ पे देखो L यहाँ है तो V को तो हम यहाँ नहीं डाल सकते ना. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अब बताओ यहाँ V लिख सकते हैं? नहीं लिख सकते. तो ये तो केस मेरा यहीं पे ही फॉल्स हो गया. इसको आप रब कर दो अभी. ठीक है, इसको मैंने रब कर दिया. ये आपको मैंने समझाने के लिए लिखा था. इसको लिख दिया. अभी मेरे पास यही कंडीशन चल रही है. ठीक है, चलो. Number of persons between I and Q is same between the number of persons between M and T. So I and Q is same as M and T. So M is here. Okay, Q is not fixed. M sits to the right of T. So T is here and also south direction. M will be to the right, means somewhere here. Okay. Okay. Now 3 people sits between T and W sits adjacent to L. All right. Now let's see that 4 people sits between V and Q. So V is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Q may be at this position or Q may be at this position. In both directions we will check. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Q may be at this position, suppose, because V and Q 1, 2, 3, 4. Now draw same diagram. V, 1 gap, I who is facing the south direction, 1 gap, M gap, L. Okay, V is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Q is at this position and facing south direction. Clear? And now I and Q, how many person will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I and Q 6 people. 6. So M and T 6 person. M is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. T may be at this position. Okay, may be at this position. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So T may be at to the this side or T may be to the this side. Okay, we are not sure. But he is clearly mentioned that 3 persons sits between T and W sits adjacent to L. और तो और एक और लाइन बोली गई थी कि एम टी अगर यहां है तो टी के राइट हैंड साइड में एम है ना. अगर आप यहां आप टी को यहां लिखोगे कहीं इस साइड तो एम जो है आपका कहां होगा? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में होगा ना. राइट हैंड साइड में तो होगा नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्लियरली बोला हुआ है ना ये वाली लाइन कि एम सिट्स टू द राइट ऑफ टी. अभी मैं आपको समझाता हूं. देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. टी यहां लिख दिया अब आपने. अब टी के राइट हैंड साइड में तो इस तरफ कहीं एम होना चाहिए. यहां कहीं, यहां तो ये तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में होगा ना. तो हम वो गलत कहेंगे कि हाँ मेरा टी यहां नहीं होगा, मेरा टी किधर होगा. अब मैं कंफर्म कह सकता हूं मेरा टी किस तरफ होगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. देखिए टी यहां आ जाएगा. ठीक है ना. अब इस केस की अगर हम बात कर लेते हैं तो आपका आई और एम, सॉरी आई एंड क्यू की बात बोली गई थी. तो आई एंड क्यू में कितने पर्सन है? 1, 2 पर्सन का गैप है. अगर अदर केस की बात करें तो एम और टी में भी 2 पर्सन का होना चाहिए. तो इफ एम इज हियर 1, 2 टी में बी एट दिस पोजीशन, 1, 2 टी में बी एट दिस पोजीशन. फिर से वही बात अगर सोचा जाए अगर तो टी को तो यहां नहीं लिख सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि फिर टी के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एम होगा, पर बोला क्या है? राइट हैंड साइड में. सो 1, 2 टी विल बी एट दिस पोजीशन, है ना. अब देखो क्या बोला था कि 3 पर्सन बिटवीन टी एंड डब्ल्यू से एडजेसेंट टू एल. So T is here. So 1, 2, 3. W is at this position. Not possible because W is adjacent to L only, and L is somewhere here. And अगर आप ऐसे करोगे तो 1, 2, 3. W is here. W is here. L is here. It is not adjacent. Adjacent means W like this. W and L. Otherwise L and W. This is your adjacent. Now T is here. 1, 2, 3. W at this position. अगर हम W को इस तरफ बढ़ा दे तो वो दूर हो जाता. L and W अब क्या हुए? Adjacent हुए. अभी क्लियर है? कोई बात, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है यहाँ पे, है? तो क्या हुआ? मेरा डायग्राम बन गया क्या? कितने लोग बैठे? Q, V, I, M, L, W and T. मेरा डायग्राम बन गया. कितना टाइम लगेगा? देखो एग्जाम के प्रेशर में इसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लग जाएगा, थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इसमें ये वाली भी लाइन दी है ना, नंबर ऑफ पर्सन सिट्स बिटवीन I and Q सेम एज बिटवीन द नंबर ऑफ पर्सन बिटवीन M and T. थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग वाली लाइन है, बट स्टिल क्लियर है. ठीक, ये आपका राइट अरेंजमेंट. So friends, I hope you like this 2-3 sitting arrangement and puzzles. Till that, thank you for watching and have a nice day, and please visit IBPSguide.com for the quality mock test. Alright, for the mains exams.